green field kissed by the sun. Once there were valleys where rivers used to run. Once there were blue skies with white clouds high above. Once there were part of an everlasting love. We are the lovers who stroll through green fields. Green fields are gone now, parched by the sun, gone from the river where land used to run. Gone with the cold wind that swept into my heart. Gone with the river who let their dreams depart. We are the green field that we used to rule. I'll never know what made you run away. How can I keep searching when dark clouds hide the day? I only knew there's nothing here for me, nothing in this world left for me to see. But I'll keep on waiting till you return. I'll keep on waiting until the day you learn. You can be happy while your heart's on the roof. You can be happy until you bring it home, home to the green fields and me once again.